Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to add points to your McDonald's app with your receipt. Okay, so if you forgot to provide your code, very easy guys. Just launch your app, okay, and then just go ahead and select more in the bottom navigation bar. Then what I want you to do is select add missing points from receipt, okay? And then you need to enter your receipt details. You need to provide the restaurant number from where your order was placed, the date of your visit, the time of your visit, your order number, and your order total. Now, all of this information will be found on your receipt. So once you're done with all of that, just go ahead and submit that. Okay? And it takes some time, usually within 24 hours, you should see your points reflecting on your McDonald's app. Now, if after 24 hours it has not reflected, I want you to go and select more, choose careers, contact and legal, select contact us, and then enter your comments regarding your order, including your account email, order number, subtotal. If there's any reason you think you might be missing points, okay, go ahead and put that in. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.